What if I told you that in 2025, artificial intelligence could make better investing decisions than Wall Street professionals? That your $1,000 could quietly grow into $10,000 without you lifting a finger? Sounds like a fantasy, right? But the truth is, it's already happening. From AI-powered hedge funds to machine learning trading bots, the smartest investors aren't just using AI, they're letting it run their portfolios. And the best part, you don't need millions to start. Today, I'm breaking down how you can use AI investing strategies in 2025 to multiply your money step by step. So grab a notebook, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to turn $1,000 into $10,000 using machine learning. Let's plug into the future of money. Before we dive into how, let's talk about why this moment matters. In the last 24 months, AI has exploded, not just in art or chatbots, but in finance. Goldman Sachs uses AI to predict stock volatility. BlackRock uses machine learning to rebalance billions in assets daily. And individual investors, they're catching up fast. But here's the scary truth. If you're still investing the old-fashioned way, researching stocks manually, scrolling Reddit threads, you're already behind. Because AI doesn't sleep. It studies thousands of market patterns per second. It reacts in milliseconds to data that would take humans hours to process. Think of it like this. If the stock market were a chess game, AI isn't just playing, it's looking 50 moves ahead. So yes, AI investing isn't a trend. It's the new operating system of wealth creation. First, let's talk about the easiest way to use AI without coding a single line. They're called AI ETFs. Exchange-traded funds managed by algorithms. Think of them as robot portfolios. They automatically scan markets, adjust holdings, and find the best opportunities all day, every day. A few examples for 2025. AIEQ, AI-powered equity ETF, uses IBM Watson to pick US stocks. BOTS, Global X Robotics, and AI ETF, invests in companies leading the AI revolution. ARKQ, ARK, Autonomous Tech and Robotics, focuses on innovation-driven growth. Invest $1,000 into AI ETFs with monthly contributions and reinvest your gains. With average AI-driven growth projections between 20% and 35% annually, you could realistically turn $1,000 into $10,000 in a few years. And the best part, you don't need to buy the dip. The algorithm already did. Now, if you're a bit more hands-on, you can use AI trading bots, platforms like Trade Ideas, Capitalize.ai, or Quant Connect, to automate trades based on data patterns. These bots use machine learning to study millions of past trades, predict outcomes, and execute buy or sell orders instantly. You set your risk level, connect your broker, and let AI do the heavy lifting. Many traders report consistent 1% to 3% daily returns, which, when compounded, can multiply your portfolio fast. Imagine your money waking up earlier than you do, checking the markets, and saying, "Relax, I got this." But remember, with higher reward comes higher risk. Always backtest, start small, and scale only when the data proves it works. Lastly, for those who think bigger, invest in the companies building the AI future itself. We're talking about Nvidia, Palantir, Google, Amazon, and smaller AI startups leading automation, robotics, and cloud intelligence. Machine learning isn't a fad, it's the backbone of 2025's tech economy. And just like people who invested in Apple in 2003 or Tesla in 2012, AI investors today could be tomorrow's millionaires. And here's a thought. What if the next Tesla isn't a car company, but an AI model that trades, learns, and invests better than humans? Let's piece it all together. Here's your AI investment blueprint for 2025. Number 1, start with $1,000. Number 2, split it. 50% into AI ETFs, 30% into AI-powered trading tools, and 20% into promising AI stocks. Number 3, reinvest your profits monthly. Number 4, and stay curious, because the next breakthrough could happen overnight. Remember, AI doesn't get emotional, doesn't panic sell, and never gets tired. It just learns, adapts, and compounds your edge. While most people fear losing their jobs to AI, the smart ones are hiring AI to build their wealth. So, will you fight the machine or profit with them? If you found this video helpful, hit subscribe. Because at Financial Fix, we don't just talk about money. We talk about the future of money. And your future? It starts with one smart decision today. This is Financial Fix, where your money meets the future.